Thank you. The sounds looks good. Sounds good. Yes. Um, Perfect. I was gonna say time. Hey judges, my name is Ale. It's great to be here today. Today, the story it's about Goldie. You're gonna ask me who is Goldie. Goldie is my dog. Goldie is a Cocker Spaniel, and right now he's 16 years old. In my free-pour pattern, you're gonna have Goldie as a puppy. As a puppy, Goldie loves to play all day long with the ball in the backyard. Just to pay attention, the Cocker Spaniel, it's a hunter race. Let's start. Please let me to offer the first cup. Please enjoy it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna come with the second one. For pulling this pattern, I'm gonna use 4 different rosettas, different sizes, pull from different angles. And with a continuous line, from tail beginning, I'll create the whole body. This one is gonna be for you. Tail, continue with the body, the ear, go back with the head, the nose, tongue, and finishing the pattern with the open eye. And of course, as I've told you, the ball in front of him. Please enjoy. This is for you. Thank you very much. As I've told you, for the second pattern, I'm gonna put Goldie as an adult. He's almost 16 years old. He's still very fit, playing all day long. to highlight this pattern. In a bit, I'm going to finish it with some etching. Using black color, I'm going to make the realistic eyes, the nose, and of course his medallion on his neck. Great. Thank you very much. Great. It's looking great. Thank you very much. This one is for you. Enjoy it. Same for the second one. Let's finish the eyes. This one is for you. And I'm going to say thank you very much. It was a huge pleasure to present you my dog, to offer you this latte art. Thank you. This is my time.
Congratulations, Ali Vogel, representing Austria.